Today we're going to explore the Time Machine plugin for Obsidian. And basically this plugin is a time machine, so it enables going back in time with your notes. It acts as a way to restore snapshots and backups from previous versions of your files. So you might or might not know, but Obsidian has this feature called file recovery. And the file recovery, what it does is it automatically creates snapshots of your notes over time. And it provides UI that you can use to restore elements from those snapshots, so previous versions of your notes. But I actually built a plugin that does it better. So let me show you. So this is a note for today, so basically my notes of today. And if I use the file recovery core plugin, you can use the open local history. And so this is going to show you all of the snapshots that Obsidian has created for the current note. And basically, in this case, what you can see is that I have many snapshots that were created from 9 a.m. today to right now. If I click on any of those, I can actually see the changes. So between those two versions, this is what happened. So some lines were added, some lines were replaced, and same for all of those snapshots. Now, with this base UI that Obsidian provides, so this is a core plugin, it's called File Recovery, you can actually copy the data or you can restore a snapshot as the current version. So if I click on it and it restore for this one, I'm going to restore the node. But actually, this is not the best. And I've created the Time Machine plugin. Now, what you can do with this one is it's Control P and then Time Machine. And there's dedicated view that you can use. So if you click on Open View, you will get something similar to this. And it's basically a bit similar to the core plugin. What you get is not a list of files, but actually a timeline that you can use. And as you can see, as I go back in time with this specific note, I do see the changes. But the benefit of this one over the core plugin, I am able to just restore these specific changes from that snapshot. Another benefit is that this plugin actually also integrates Git inside of the timeline. So some of those versions are from the file recovery, as you can see there, but some others come from Git commits that I've created for my repository. If you are not using Git, then it doesn't matter too much. You still get at least the better UI for navigating and restoring snapshots. But if you are using Git, just like I am, then you get a timeline in which you can restore things either from snapshots or from Git. And now if I switch to a different node, so this is an article that I've updated this morning, you can see that the history goes back again in time to all of the different versions. All right, that's it for today. Simple plugin, but super useful. So don't miss out.